so good. By far my favorite VR game, just because it's so crazy.
I stopped playing it on PC because on it seems like on PC it's just really hard to find people to play with.
Yeah. Which game?
Really dangerous. And I am like the best like fighter pilot guy. Like oh my gosh, like I'm really good at like flying with the flight assist on. Cool. I just fly circles. We're fighting this other fighter. He's like trying to do something. I was just sitting there on one of those little ships.
Really a bigger ship though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, but to be fair, he was in a vulture. But I was in one of the launch fights.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? And that guy was not such help. And on top of that, my friend that was driving, he was in a Honda. So I haven't actually did the most damage to this guy. But when it's in a Honda, so if you try to even like focus on me at all, Santa Claus, damn, it was awesome.
But my friend, whatever we played against, is my first time in. He's like, dude, okay, you're gonna launch you in the fighter, you're gonna go, you're gonna take these guys out. I was like, yes, okay. Launch us go straight into an asteroid. I was like, dude, come on.
Okay, guys, we're ready. Let's see this game. Can't wait. Last group, go ahead.
This is our game Platformer, which is a placeholder name, which took inspiration from Mario.
Got our main character here. Her name's Paula. Can't tell, but it's a her, I assure you. Got some walls here you can jump on, then you got an enemy here.
Can you just turn it?
Yeah, you're gonna have to hit the play button again.
Click that.
And then click your game and then maximize on play. On the right.
On the right.
On the right. Maximize.
There it is.
Yay.
There we
Oh,
go.
that's much better. Thank you.
All right. Anyway, that's Paula right down here. You run around and beat the crap out of these enemies here. They float down from the sky. They're not very good. You got these over here. You push them on down holes and whatnot, and they'll go on down eventually. Got some platforming elements here. Careful not to die. You got this big old duder.
That's the boss.
likes to fight back.
What happens if you go down the hole?
Yep. You die. That's what we got.
It's still work in progress, but it's coming along now.
Oh, you can also stick to walls. Yeah, but you can't jump off fence. Bueno.
Show us the pattern.
Okay.
All
Alrighty.
Don't be clapping that. Good support then.
Okay, so we got our camera system. Basically, as soon as it loads,
Yeah. Community.
Is your character moving through the map or the map is moving?
the character moves through the map. So the character is the only thing that moves besides the enemies. They just kind of float down in really rigid pain. All right, so we got, this is what I used for the camera. You got X and Y min and max. Basically, that tells you how far the camera can move. So if you tell it on Y max, you can only move up to 100 pixels up. Then that's how far, it'll move that far and stop. Same thing with X, it'll tell you how far it'll move, and basically you just try to make the X maxes to go as far as the map. And the camera follows an object with the tag player, which is our character Paula, and then it clamps to that. It clamps to the character. There's that one. We got the enemy movement. It's
You know how to zoom in?
no, not
Control and then roll the mouse.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. So the enemies are supposed to use something called a raycast. And I couldn't exactly get it to work right because they're supposed to like scroll from one side to the other, like in between the two walls. That enemy was supposed to go from side to side and bounce off the two, but it kind of didn't, and so it just kind of rigidly moved down. With player movement, we got some bools and some ints. The way I have it set up is, and I had a little bit of trouble with the prototype for Paula. When you have it facing right, the character would face left and go kind of move backwards. So I had to reverse it so that way it kind of face the right way when you're pressing the arrow keys. Got separate modules for jump and player flip. I actually found this out, but the standard button on Unity for jumping is actually space. It's default. I didn't know that.
You can look at all the default controls. If you go to, I want to say file, then, what is it called? Go to edit. Okay, it's in the project setting. And input. And that should bring up all your, you can click on each one and see, and you can change it there.
Thanks.
And that way you know what to call too if you need to use it.
Sweet.
Thank you.
All right, I've got one last piece of code. This is this is the code that executes when you quote unquote die. When your character reaches a certain Y point, it basically just resets the entire scene and you spawn again. That's the only thing that I got into it.
Yeah, I actually had a question. It was about with regards to button input. I was actually wondering this for myself. How were you able to connect it to a controller? Like, I know what I'm meaning is like, how are you able to map it?
I think it's already on there.
Yeah, the controls are. I didn't map it to anything else. It's the only thing on there is it's set to default. So if you were to press, I press the arrow keys because those are the default, and space is also default.
Okay. Right.
So I didn't do anything with the control mapping.
Okay. I just thought I'd ask.
Any other questions?
Great. Good job. Thanks, guys.
Possibly.
There's only one way to find out.
Well, I mean, in 1 week.
Right, can't wait to see them. Now remember to keep your scope limited. You have a limited amount of time. 1 week, something else. Very limited scope.
Yeah, keep in mind small this time.
Yes, small.
I'm actually keeping to the scope this time.
It's so hard to not overcreate when you're like, well, I'm gonna need this part anyways, even just for a little
Yeah.
sample, you know. And sometimes you just gotta
Always
build a.
giving away stuff, so. No, not this one.
Stop this here.